Three birds, two.
Go! Go on.
Long ago, there were two birds, two turkeys. And they stopped Thanksgiving from having turkeys. They made it have chicken instead, because chicken tastes better than turkey.
Yeah.
Well, buddy, we did it. We got turkeys off the menu.
Yes.
You, me, and John Egbert.
Wow, I can't believe we did it. Fuck.
Hey, I'm John Egbert.
Shut the fuck up!
Hey now, buddy.
Whoa,
Don't enter
whoa,
Rage Egbert mode.
Whoa. We were just kidding, Mr.
Okay,
John.
my bad. Sorry, guys. It's okay. We're just teasing. He was just teasing you. I'm not teasing.
I'm gay. But wait, you know, you know, Bird, now that we got turkeys off the menu, does this mean we're free birds?
We're free birds. Free birds.
What did John Egg here?
I've been here since the first movie.
Fuck, the music stopped. Oh,
That's fine.
oh, the first movie.
Yeah.
Why
What's a
did the
movie? This
Oh,
is real life.
oh, classical old you.
The iconic breaking the fourth wall. Put down the bingo card. Put down the bingo card. You can scratch that out now. We broke the fourth wall. That's pretty funny.
So what do we do now that we're free birds?
I don't fucking know. I don't know. What do we do, John Egbert?
And we can have fun playing the Spurby game. How. That's a reference to Homestuck. Ha ha ha.
That's fucking gay.
That's really bad. It's like every fucking... It's me, Jimmy Turner!
You!
Yes, it's me! I know about the turkey still. I was asleep when you went back in time to the Thanksgiving or some shit. I will tell everyone that you know about Thanksgiving and that you were meant to be Thanksgiving and not chicken.
No, you can't do this! This is horrible!
If only we had some kind of Angry Birds from the first movie. Angry Birds.
I'm Angry Birds.
You're fucking gross, man.
How am I gross?
Meet my friends. My cohorts. We fought in the war for the birds. And you, Timmy, will get sick by them. Boys.
Don't
Oh my god, man.
don't fuck with me.
Step back, guys. Step back, everyone.
And an Angry Bird launches at Timmy, but it fails. And Angry
It
Bird
reflects.
is over here dying now.
No! No! No!
Blood damage.
Angry Bird! Runs off into the distance. Angry Bird, are you okay? Speak to me. Speak to me.
He's dying. We need to.
We need divine intervention.
Play music. Who the fuck? Who the fuck is that?
Yeah, Shrink Egbert. This is in the distance as well.
Oh yeah.
It's our god. Well, unlike most gods, this is a neutral, not quite a genocide, not quite a pacifist. You can use it for good, but you can also use it for bad.
How the fuck is this gonna benefit us? But, well, now that that's taken care of, we have to figure out how to defeat Timmy Turner.
Not sure how to beat this foe. He's a tricky one.
I think I might know someone who can defeat Timmy Turner. But we have to climb a mountain. That's right. We have to climb a mountain.
Don't worry about him. Cut that out. Cut that out.
No,
that
I'm
wasn't there.
keeping it. Mount Markiplier. This is where Brofist relies with Markiplier, and they are knowledgeable of knowing how to defeat Timmy Turner, because Timmy Turner called them fucking gay and emo, and they fucking hated it.
Put that the activity back. Leave that in.
Okay. As our peers venture onto the mountain. Shit, As our peers venture up the mountain, they would soon realize it proves to be a difficult task. As they have to literally climb a mountain. It is fucking difficult, dude. That shit unironically kills people. Seriously, don't climb mountains, it's fucking gay.
Holy shit, what the fuck did you... Hold on.
But as they tumble up, they would tumble down, damn it! Tumble down because Red is a fat ass!
Oh, did you guys just see that run by?
No, I didn't see anything run by, you're seeing things. What the fuck? I didn't see anything.
Well, we're lost in this here forest. What are we gonna do?
I don't know, but all I know is your fucking dumbass is fat and we tumbled down the mountain!
Hey! Hey!
No!
I'm trying my best!
I don't care if you're trying.
I'm trying.
I don't care.
I'm trying
Shut
my best
up.
to get this to work. You shut the fuck up.
You know what? Oh.
Hey guys.
What the fuck is that? Is that the Eugene Mr. Krabs?
I know my way out of here.
Do you really?
No.
Fuck! What is Red Angry Bird screaming about?
What was the point of that? Why did he say that? What is Is Angerman okay?
Now there's like two people screaming. What's happening? What's happening,
Jesus
Sonic?
Christ, you guys are retarded.
Okay? Shit, the piece. What? Do you know what the problem is? He has hemorrhoids. Well, that's not our problem. Let's continue venturing through this forest. Scroll.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh wait, we can do this.
Shh.
It's like a real video game.
Yeah. Fuck, what do we have here? Fuck, and then... Hello, every pony!
You're such a loser, dude.
What? I just said hello every pony. How does that make me a loser?
No one says every pony, fucking faggot.
What? My life's been a lie. Well, anyways, what the fuck are you guys doing here?
Oh, what the fuck are you doing here?
I'm coming to... What's wrong with Angry Bird?
He's just speaking.
Well, no, earlier I heard him speaking and
He has hemorrhoids. He has hemorrhoids.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, the Angry Bird's okay.
Well, anyways, I'm probably here for the same fucking reason you dipshits are here, and that's to defeat Timmy Turner.
Oh, what did Timmy Turner do to you?
He called me a gay fucking brony.
You are kind of a gay brody.
I never knew you were a brody. Secret revealed. Well, welcome to the party, I guess. I better be in this fucking party. We should get a
Come on,
move
Angry
on.
Bird.
Let's.
You're sick.
After climbing for so long, variously long, they finally made it to the mountain. And they just... One by one, they all slide down.
Splash.
Splash.
Oops.
Well, we're finally here, guys. It only took 1 minute of figuring out we could just walk around the mountain.
Yeah. And we even found this nice lake. What is Angry Bird doing?
Wow, Angry Bird, you seem to be having the time of your life. What the
He's
fuck is he
drowning.
doing?
He's drowning.
He's drowning? Oh my god!
Angry Bird.
Oh my god, Angry Bird, are you okay? Are you here with me?
Oh my god! Angry Bird, no!
Oh my god, Angry Bird just died!
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Well, can't
Wait.
make an omelet without breaking a couple eggs.
Fuck, the laugh track. Ah! The laugh track cues. Oh.
Holy fuck, Markiplier.
Well, hello, my bros. Breakfast!
Hello everybody, it is Markiplier. We're gonna 5 Nights at Freddy's.
We found them, finally! What do you mean you finally found us?
Hey, Peter Pan, why are you looking for me? What do you want?
We need you to stop the evil Timmy Turner. He's trying to eat turkeys for Thanksgiving again.
No.
What do you mean, no?
Yeah, what do you mean now?
Oh, Markiplier here. We don't want to stop Timmy Turner, because last time we tried to stop him, he called us emo gay.
What did PewDiePie say?
Oh, you know, his iconic catchphrase. What? What the fuck?
I'm hungry!
No, say back. PewDiePie, stop it now, or else I will call your mother.
Okay. PewDiePie!
Well, that was anticlimactic.
Cliche, you could say. Yeah!
I don't know what to say. You fucking suck at this! And then I'll start booing Karkat. You fucking suck at this! You fucking cock!
Normally I run by, but this is all really mean, don't you think? I mean, he's trying his best.
I mean, I guess you're right. Thanks, Homer! Fuck me. Well, what can we do? Well, you can, get your shit You can get your shit together and beat his ass. PewDiePie, shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up! He's not doing his punch. Hold on, he's gonna start punching now, because he's mad. He's gonna start punching. Wait, hold on.
What?
Why isn't he punching? He's just...
Well, forget about it. Well, anyways, I had to put Ow! Oh my god! Did you hear that, Freebirds? Yeah, they all say in unison. We just have to learn how to punch him and teach him a lesson!
I want to help now, for no inexplicable reason. I just want to help. There is no reason, there is no explanation. It is merely a convenience for the plot. This isn't ChemiCloud.
Shut up.
Finally! We made it to the Timmy Turner Castle. What did you agree, Free?
Yes, I would agree. Wouldn't you agree, Bird?
Like we're missing someone.
No, it's me, Free, from Free Birds 2.
Oh!
Yeah, you numbnuts! How could you fucking forget?
Shut up, 2.
Oh, jolly me, oh my. And it's me, it's Jacksepticeye, top of 10 in the morning to you all.
But wait. Look who's over there. It's Timmy Turner.
You think that's Jacksepticeye?
You think that's Jacksepticeye? Typical.
Oh my god,
I got the real one.
I've got the real one.
Oh my god, do you see how demonic Timmy's speaking? That...
Shit. Oh my god. Jackie Poo! You kidnapped... Oh my god, you kidnapped Jacksepticeye!
Fuck, what do we do?
He's working for me.
What? What?
Oh my god!
Jackie Poo! Smooth Timmy. Jackie Poo, how could you do this?
Pick up, it's not picking up! That's it, what?
My name is Jacksepticeye! Jack! All the way with Timmy, all the way with Timmy,
Oh my god. That's right. He worked for me and me only. Well, guys, we're gonna have to brawl this out.
Shut up, Timmy Turner! Shut up! Oh
my god!
No, I didn't kill him. You just do critical damage to him.
Well, I don't want to fight him. Bye.
I'll step to the plate.
I will as well.
Me too!
Yeah!
Alright, so then they fought, kicking Timmy Turner's ass. Like, I mean, giving him a good ass whooping. Like, holy shit, man.
Oh my god. He even lost at his home stage.
Well, guys, it looks like we did it. Yeah, we kicked Timmy Turner's ass. Hardin. But wait, there's still a Jacksepticeye.
He hugs PewDiePie.
What the? We thought you were evil.
He hugs Carcat.
It looks like he must have been under a spell by Timmy. But now that we defeated Timmy, he's not under the spell anymore.
Happy Wheels!
What a strange little fella. And so, our heroes then saved Thanksgiving once more. And that is how this movie, Freebirds 2, happened. And I'm not lying. And that is the world of Freebirds 2.
And then Sonic and Knuckles from Bobo Comics had sex.
Shut up!